Hi everybody, I'm going to go ahead and present my question on this Screen-O-Matic. My question that I'm going to answer is, can a person force inspiration or does it come naturally? Listening to the speakers on the YouTube presentations, I would have to agree that inspiration and creativity comes naturally. But I also believe that sometimes we need some help to get our creativity going. I feel that I'm not as creative as I could be, but I really have not explored that side of me in a long time because I do not take out the time to explore my creativity. We all have a creative side. If we want to be more creative and inspired, we just need to take the time and try it. It will get better with time. I personally used to be kind of creative and I used to make like jewelry. This is like one of my anklets that I made. I used to really like to use the different crystals and just different beads that I thought were really attractive. And I did it in really nice patterns, and not only did I make anklets, I made necklaces and earrings and just a variety of things. And I have not done that in quite a long time. But I feel that once I am done with this program, maybe I can get back into doing different creative things. I would really like to explore that side again. So this is my little video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.